What I like to do to motivate myself to study is to go to the university library. What's different here for me at Radboud is that we have smaller classes, or like fewer people in one class.
Just in general, the amount of self-studying has increased way more, or has increased a lot, because in school you get everything handed to you and it's like you have to finish it by then and by then and by then. But now, it's like you're given a book, you're giving some lectures, and then let's go,
There's a lot of group assignments.
Yeah.
So that kind of prepares you also for the real life.
For some countries, people are surprised at how casual some of the professors are. Like almost all of our professors prefer to be called by their first name.
Or a nickname.
Or a nickname.
As, like Sparky.
Oh,
yeah.
Sparky.
True.
Sparky is our programming professor.
So the year is built of 4 quarters, 2 semesters, and at the end of each quarter you have exams. So for us it's usually like 4 or 5 exams, but really depends on what you're studying.
Each
4
block,
blocks.
yeah, 4 blocks in total. And we have 7 weeks of studying, and at the end you have your exams.
At my faculty we have about 8 weeks where we have no exam whatsoever. July and August, where we have no exams, and so you can really plan a vacation. And that's just really, I think, a good thing to have a time in the year where you can say, okay, that's the time to relax, and rest of the year is to study. That's really good.
It's a difficult question to answer because it depends on the block, on the courses that you have. I would say you definitely have less courses and you have more self-study time.
I think it's 50-50 or even more self-study. So we have lectures, we have work groups, and then self-study. It really depends how many ECs the course is, because the ECs are like how many hours you need to spend on the course, more or less.
What I like to do to motivate myself to study is to go to the university library.
Sometimes I have blocks where I have 4, 5 courses, because maybe I didn't pass one last year, so I have to retake it or something. Then it will be quite a lot more studying, of course.
It's really good to call on your network of fellow students. That's really helpful. But other than that, you can talk to study advisors and TAs.
And the lecturers, if you have a problem or you really don't understand something, you can always go and ask them. They're always willing to help you.
They do everything possible to help you. There's so many different channels, so many different people that you can contact. You have psychologists, you have study advisors, student advisors, your hosts, mentors, teachers, you have central student desk.
I guess there is always help if you just ask for it.
The first people that I would contact are my friends from my study program. So yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
If you have a group of people that you can rely on and who understand, the struggles of your study program.